Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys another video in my Minnie Mouse series. I'm sorry it's taken a little while, but I have for you guys a picture frame. You can either use it as centerpieces with maybe some little flowers or something like that, but since we didn't have any guests, I just used it for decorations on the food and candy table. And you can also give these to family members, which is what I do as like little favors at the end of the party. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm starting off with the Cricut design space. If you would like to skip ahead, you can skip to minute 2.43. So I start off by adding my bow, which is really the only SVG that you'll need unless you want to do something else. I'm creating my picture frame, I guess you could say, and I'm just doing this so that I can kind of get a feel for what the final product is going to look like, because I have to see how things will look like. My picture frames that I used are from Dollar Tree, and they're about an inch wide. The border is, I'm creating it 1 inch wide, and I know I wanted the top part to be black and the bottom to be pink with polka dots, so that is what I'm doing. Now I'm just adding the bow to the top, bringing it forward, and just sizing it to fit the picture frame. That's why I wanted to make a picture frame, I guess, the border, so you can kind of see what sizes you need and everything. And I did go back and forth to my picture frame to kind of measure out how big everything was going to be, and so that it fit perfectly. So I'm just adding some circles for the ears, and now I'm just adding my font, and I'm just using Arial Black, and I wanted to use something that's kind of thick so that when you cut it out, it's not going to give you as much issues, because I did use glitter cardstock. And now I'm just going to do the white polka dots for the bow, and the same size that you're going to use for the bow, you're going to use for the bottom of the picture frame. And I did about 3 or on each side of the picture frame. Now for this part, I'm deleting the picture frame squares because you're not going to actually cut that out. That was just for you to kind of see how it's going to look like. So I just cut everything out. Now I'm just measuring out my picture frames to be right in the center, because that's how I wanted mine to look. You can do all yours one color, or like all pink with polka dots, it doesn't matter, but I wanted to do half black and half pink with polka dots. I'm using electrical tape that I got from the Dollar Tree, just because that works better than either painter's tape. I didn't really have painter's tape, but masking tape. I'm using this black chalk paint. I'll post everything that I used in the description bar. And this black chalk paint is so dark. Like, you just need 1 coat, but since this is a shiny picture frame, you could see streaks. So I did 2 coats of the black paint, and I did 1 coat of a light pink chalk paint. I did 2 coats of this brighter pink. What you could do also is spray paint the whole picture frame with maybe like a matte spray paint, and that way when you do your coats of the actual colors that you need, and now I'm just gluing everything to my picture frame with just a regular glue gun. And I just kind of placed everything where I want it to be, just so it'll be kind of even, just kind of eyeballing it. Mine weren't perfect. And now I'm just adding the ears, And you're gonna see that I added 2 clips of me doing the ears and the bow, because at this point I don't think I had cut the white polka dots, so I went ahead and did the ears. But I would suggest putting the white polka dots on the bow first and then gluing it onto the picture frame. You could actually just leave it like that if you wanted to, but I wanted to add polka dots. Now I'm just showing you this, I guess like a glitter washi tape that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's sticky. I wanted to do something right in the middle so you won't be able to see like the line right in the middle that's separating the pink and the black. But you could do that, or you could do like a little ribbon, whatever you have or whatever you want to use. I bought a glitter washi tape from Amazon, and that is what I used, but I didn't show you guys that part apparently. So I'll post everything, like I said, in the description bar. Now I'm just gluing the polka dots, and for the washi tape I actually put it on there, and then on the other side, the side that you won't be able to see, I put a little tiny dot of glue, just so it'll stay put and it won't go anywhere basically. Now I just glue the dots. You see I did about 2.5 to 3 on each, and like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I cut halves with my scissors and just kind of make sure it looked good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm just adding the bow with the polka dots, and this is basically it. Super easy and very affordable. It was what, like maybe $2 with all the supplies. But I hope you guys like it. I will be adding a few more videos from my Minnie Mail series, so I hope you'll stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.